Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry. Now I am going to explain unknown basic radical 4. Now what is the basic radical is given to you, you will make analyze. This is part 10, that is unknown basic radical 4. When you see the basic radical that is given to you, here you will observe there are three types of tests. One is physical test, second is dry test, and third is wet test. Physical test, the color is blue. Now when you see, you can find the color is blue. And if you try, you see that is crystalline and soluble in water. Then after physical test, we proceed to dry test. Under dry test, so many tests are there. And first is dry test tube heating. In dry test tube heating, you will take salt in a test tube and heat it strongly. Then here the color that changes to white. If the color changes to white, you should remember it may be Cu plus 2. Then here the second if will go, that is dry test, the soda lime test. The salt is taken in a test tube and added sodium hydroxide and heated strongly. Now sodium hydroxide, that is very important, and this test is very important for ammonium radical. And here since ammonium radical is not there, it is absent, so you can't observe ammonia smell. Then charcoal cavity test. Since ammonium is absent, then you proceed number 3, dry test, that is charcoal cavity test. You take the salt with sodium carbonate, mix it properly. Then here after mixing, you put on charcoal cavity over the flame. Over the flame in oxidizing flame, and you can observe no white residue is formed. Charcoal cavity test is very important for white residue if it will come. But here since no white residue, not precipitate, it is residue. Then what happen? You can say Ba plus 2, Sr plus 2, Ca plus 2, Al plus 3 absent. Then after that you will proceed to cobalt nitrate test. Then what is cobalt nitrate test? It is very important. If you will not get any white residue on the charcoal cavity test, then cobalt nitrate test is not necessary. Since in this case you are not getting any white residue on the charcoal cavity, so cobalt nitrate test is not necessary. After cobalt nitrate test, you will go to flame test. Flame test, you take platinum wire and dipped in concentrated HCl, heated strongly. Then after that, here this platinum wire dipped in concentrated HCl and salt and shown to the flame. You observe greenish color flame, that is often this is maybe Cu plus 2. That means if the color, this is here color of the flame is very important, and not only Cu plus 2 but also very important for Ba plus 2, Ca plus 2, Ka plus 1, like this. And after that you will see borax bead test. In borax bead test, this is applicable to color salt. Since your salt is given is blue color, that is why borax bead test is very important and positive test for the blue salt. Platinum wire dipped in borax powder and heated strongly to form bead. The bead is tossed to the color salt what is given to you, here blue color, and heated strongly in oxidizing flame. And first of all it will you will get a reddish color, then immediately changes to black. Then reddish black bead is formed. That means Cu plus 2 may be. These are the dry tests. One by one you will do. Lastly you will get that borax bead test. After that you proceed to general procedure for wet test. In wet test you will see for the first one, 0 group. If absent, then you will proceed to for then second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, like. So first of all you do the test for 0 group, and 0 group that radical is ammonium plus. So salt, here you will take salt solution because it is the wet test. Wet test means you will take salt solution. You take salt solution in a test tube and add NaOH heated, no ammonia smell. Since you are getting no ammonia smell, so 0 group, that is NH4 plus absent. If NH4 plus absent, then it should go to group 1. In group 1 you see what is the reagent. Reagent is dilute HCl. So you take the salt solution in test tube and added dilute HCl. After adding dilute HCl, you should get white precipitate if group 1 is present. Since here no white precipitate, so group 1 is not present. So Pb plus 2 and Ag plus 1 absent. Then you will go to, since group 1 absent, then go to group 2. Salt solution taken in test tube, dilute HCl, then H2S gas pass. Black precipitate is formed. Black precipitate is formed means you are sure that this is group 2. Group 2 means it is maybe Pb plus 2, Cu plus 2. So out of 2, which one is present, that you can do by the confirmed test of the particular cation. So here you will see confirmed test for Pb plus 2, Cu plus 2, 1 by 1. To this above black precipitate, this black precipitate you take here, and 50% nitric acid is added, and where black precipitate dissolve. This indicates that may be Cu plus 2, Pb plus 2. Now this black precipitate is dissolved. To the part 1 added ammonium hydroxide, blue color solution is formed. That means to the black precipitate dissolved in 50% nitric acid, and to the part 1 NH4 added, NH4OH added, blue solution is formed. This means Cu plus 2 confirm. To the part 2 added dilute HCl, no white precipitate, that is the confirmed test for Pb plus 2, but since no white precipitate, and so Pb plus 2 absent. If white precipitate, then Pb plus 2 present. And here experiment next, to the part 1 blue solution what is obtained, added potassium ferrocyanide. Potassium ferrocyanide, a chocolate brown precipitate is formed, Cu plus 2 confirm. So the second part added, that is potassium iodide, a white precipitate is formed, that is Cu plus 2 confirm. That means from the above test you confirm the Cu plus 2 is 100% present, that is confirm Cu plus. What is the basic radical given? That is Cu plus 2. So your cation that is given is Cu plus 2. I hope it is clear. Since the second group is present, that is why it is not necessary to proceed group 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. So here you will stop and you will do confirm test one by one. Pb plus 2 absent, then you are proceeding for Cu plus 2, which is confirm, and I hope it is clear to you. Thanks for watching my video, and thanks to all, and myself B.L. Das, ex-PGT Chemistry, Kendra Vidyal Sangathan.